So guys, yun no, finally, pauwi na si na Madam sa Dubai and after 2 weeks. Pero yun, 1 week guys, nag-stay ako sa Pakistan din, balik ulit sa Dubai. And today, finally, yun, pabalik na sila at hindi na ako ulit mag-isa. Dito na tayo sa airport. Waiting na lang tayo. Time check guys, 2:42 AM in the morning. Dito na. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. You miss me? Huh? You miss me? You miss daddy? Huh? Huh? How are you? Can you kiss daddy? Kiss daddy? Mommy, I hear. So guys, andito na sila. Yan. Finally!
Our home is complete.
Yeah! Watch out.